I have taught you all the exercises, and the link for the exercises has been given in the description. You can please go and check it. And today we'll proceed to the letters. So based on the exercises already done, we'll proceed to the letters. First let's do A. So for A, you need to first do the first exercise, that is the slanting stroke. Then this thick downward stroke followed by a horizontal thick line and a short upward stroke. Now from here, the first exercise which we have done, the wave, and end it with a curve. Now here again this way. So this is A. Let me draw again. First a slanting thin stroke, then a thick downward stroke, a horizontal line thick one, and an upward thin stroke, and a wave followed by a tail like end and a wave again. So you might have seen this type of A in Amul. When we write, have you ever seen Amul? Amul दूध पीता है India. So this Amul, in Amul, A is written like this. Let us do it again. First this, a horizontal thick line, a wave, and a tail, and this. So that's it. If we go by counting, it comes like 1, this will end to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is A. Now let's move to B. For B, first you have to use this exercise which we have already done, and a curve, semicircle curve till here. From here you have to go this end. Now join this by a wave and a tail, a sharp end, and a curve at the top, and bullets. See, if you have to see the exercises, you can go to my description and the link has been given. You can you can learn the exercise from there, and it's very necessary that you must learn the exercise, because without learning the exercise you cannot proceed to the letters. So let's do it again. First you can call it as S exercise. So first this, now a semicircle till here, another one, so it will come like this, and a wave to join this end, and a sharp end, and a tail at the top, wave at the top, bullets, and 2 thin slanting stroke. And remember that you have to join. Wait, let me show you again. See, first this, from here, and this, and remember, from here you have to join the first S shape. Okay, so this is B. Now let's proceed to C. For C, you have to make a crescent shape moon. Now the first exercise, that is a very small thin downward stroke, a thick straight downward stroke, again a thin slanting stroke, and from here you have to do this exercise which we have already done. Better remember that the end should not be very sharp. You should give it a gentle curve like this. Now a thin downward stroke. So in case if you are unable to write from the pen with the pen, you just have to sprinkle some ink on the waste cloth which I have already taken, and sprinkle some ink over it and use it again. And never ever try to overwrite a letter because it looks ugly. So once again, a crescent shaped moon, a small thin downward stroke, a thick downward stroke, and a slanting downward stroke. Now give it a gentle, and now a downward thin stroke followed by 2 bullets. Let me explain you again. First a crescent shape, a slanting thin stroke, a downward thick stroke, again a slanting thin stroke. Now a horizontal thick line followed by a gentle curve on it, and now a downward thin stroke and end with bullet. Now D, for D, first you have to make this a shape from here, end with till here. From here you have to take the wave and join it and give it a curve, that is a sharp end. Now a tail or wave at the top, bullets, and 2 slanting thin downward strokes. Now first like this, from here till here, join from here to here. Now this end, this, and end. So let me show you again. If you go by counting, it will come like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is D. Now when you come for E, again for E, you have to make this a shape. Now this exercise which we have already done, giving it a gentle edge. Now this one, as if we have a speed breaker like that, and from here like this, and a tail to end, and a wave at the top, and end it with the bullets. So first a shape, now give it a gentle end, curve, and now this shape in the middle. Now give it a slight upward stroke and give it a sharp end to this, and a wave to join at the top, and bullets. Let me show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now F, again a shape, this one, this, a wave to join the first part of this F shape, and a wave to join the second part of from the bottom, and giving it a curve. So this is F. Let me show you again. First this S shape, now a horizontal line giving it a gentle end, curve, sharp, and now this shape, and a wave to join the top first, from the top the first side of the S, and from the bottom you have to join the second part and give it a curve. So this becomes F. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe it, so that you'll be connected, and you'll reach my videos as soon as I post them. So today we have learned A, B, C, D, E, and F. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.